Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Nemo English Podcast. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here learning English with us today.
And I'm Mike. Hey, everyone. I'm really excited about today's topic because, well, I had a very interesting weekend.
Oh, that sounds like a story. What happened?
So I went to visit my cousin who lives in the countryside, and let me tell you, I was not ready for that life.
Not ready? What do you mean?
Emma, there was no Wi-Fi, no coffee shop, no food delivery. I even saw a chicken just walking freely like it owned the place.
That's normal in the countryside.
Not for me. I'm a city guy. I need noise, lights, and pizza at midnight.
Well, that's perfect because today we're going to talk about city life versus country life, the differences, the advantages, and how you can talk about them in English.
Yes, and don't worry, we'll explain everything in a simple and easy way.
Exactly. And before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode.
All right, Emma, let's get into it.
Let's start simple. Mike, how would you describe city life?
City life is fast, busy, and exciting.
Great. Busy means having a lot of things to do, right?
Exactly. And in the city, there's always something happening. Cars, people, shops, everything.
That's true. Cities are usually full of opportunities.
Wait, what does opportunities mean?
Good question. Opportunities means chances to do something, like finding a job or meeting new people, right?
Exactly. I like that. The city gives you many chances.
Now, what about the countryside?
The countryside is quiet, peaceful, and slow.
Perfect. Peaceful means calm and relaxing without noise or stress, right?
Exactly. When I was there, I could hear birds instead of cars. It was strange, but nice.
Let's talk about the good things about city life. What do you like most?
Easy, convenience.
Nice word. Convenience means something that makes life easier, right?
Exactly. In the city, everything is close. Restaurants, shops, hospitals.
Yes, and public transportation too, like buses and trains.
Oh, yeah, you don't need a car.
Another advantage is entertainment.
That's true. Movies, concerts, shopping malls.
Entertainment means things that make you happy or help you have fun, right?
Exactly. I love that part of city life.
But city life is not perfect. What are the problems?
Oh, there are many, like traffic.
Yes, traffic means many cars on the road, often moving slowly, right?
Exactly. Sometimes I spend 1 hour just going to work.
Another problem is pollution.
Yeah, the air is not clean.
Pollution means dirty air, water, or environment, right?
Exactly. And also, it's expensive.
That's a big one. Living in the city can cost a lot of money. Now let's talk about the countryside. What did you like there?
I like the fresh air.
Yes, fresh air means clean and healthy air, right?
Exactly. I could breathe better.
Another advantage is nature.
Yes, trees, rivers, mountains, everything is natural.
Nature means plants, animals, and the natural world, right?
Exactly. It feels relaxing.
Also, life is less stressful.
That's true. No noise, no rush, just calm life.
But you said you were not ready. Why?
Because it's a bit inconvenient.
Good word. Inconvenient means not easy or causing trouble, right?
Exactly. If you need something, you have to travel far.
Yes, and there are fewer services like hospitals or schools.
Also, I felt a little lonely.
That makes sense. Lonely means feeling alone or without people around, right?
Exactly. I missed my friends.
So, Mike, after your experience, what do you prefer, city or countryside?
I think I prefer the city, but I like visiting the countryside sometimes.
That's a great balance.
What about you, Emma?
I actually like both. I enjoy the city for work and excitement, but I love the countryside for relaxing.
That sounds perfect.
Let's compare them using simple English.
Okay.
The city is more exciting, but the countryside is more peaceful.
The city is more convenient, but the countryside is healthier.
The city is noisy, but the countryside is quiet.
Nice. These are great sentences for learners.
Imagine someone asks you, "Where do you live?"
You can say, I live in the city. It's busy but exciting.
Or, "I live in the countryside. It's quiet and peaceful."
That's simple and natural.
All right, everyone, now it's time for our practice section. This is where you learn real sentences you can use in your daily life.
Yes, this is my favorite part because you can actually use these sentences when you speak English.
Exactly. So listen carefully and try to repeat after us. If someone asks you, "Where do you live?" you can answer, "I live in the city. It's busy but exciting." Or, "I live in the countryside. It's quiet and peaceful."
Let's say it together, slowly.
I live in the city. It's busy but exciting. I live in the countryside. It's quiet and peaceful. If someone asks, "Do you like city life?" you can say, "Yes, I like city life because it's convenient." Or, "No, I prefer the countryside because it's relaxing."
Prefer means to like something more than another thing, right?
Exactly. If you want to talk about good things, you can say,
One advantage of city life is that everything is nearby.
or, "One advantage of country life is the fresh air."
Nice and simple.
Now let's talk about problems. If someone asks, "What don't you like about the city?" you can say, "I don't like the traffic. It's very stressful."
Or, I don't like the pollution. The air is not clean.
And for the countryside, it's sometimes inconvenient because things are far away. If you want to compare, you can use this pattern.
The city is more blank, but the countryside is more blank.
For example,
The city is more exciting, but the countryside is more peaceful.
let's try another one.
The city is more convenient, but the countryside is more relaxing.
If someone asks, "Which do you prefer?"
You can say, I prefer the city because I like the busy lifestyle.
or "I prefer the countryside because it's calm and quiet." If you want to talk about your experience, you can say,
I visited the countryside last weekend. It was very peaceful.
or you can also say, "I stayed in the city last year. It was exciting but crowded."
Crowded means full of people, right?
Exactly. You can also talk about how you feel.
In the city, I feel excited but sometimes stressed.
In the countryside, I feel relaxed and happy. Okay, let's practice together. Repeat after us.
I live in the city.
I prefer the countryside.
The city is busy and exciting.
The countryside is quiet and peaceful.
I don't like traffic.
I love fresh air. Great job, everyone. Practicing these sentences will help you speak more naturally.
Yes, try to use at least one sentence today in your real life.
Even a small sentence is a big step. Welcome to the Word Tour. This is where we review the most important words from today's episode.
Yes, these are words you should remember and try to use in your daily English.
Busy means having many things to do, right?
Exactly. Example, the city is very busy.
Peaceful means calm and quiet, right?
Exactly. Example, the countryside is peaceful.
Convenient means easy and helpful for you, right?
Exactly. Example, city life is convenient.
Pollution means dirty air, water, or environment, right?
Exactly. Example, There is a lot of pollution in the city.
Nature means plants, animals, and the natural world, right?
Exactly. Example, I love being close to nature.
Inconvenient means not easy or causing problems?
Yes, you're correct. Example, country life can be inconvenient.
Lonely means feeling alone.
For example, sometimes I feel lonely in the countryside.
Crowded means full of people.
Exactly. Example, the city is crowded.
Opportunity means a chance to do something?
For example, cities have many job opportunities.
Relaxing means helping you feel calm and happy, right?
Exactly. Example, the countryside is relaxing.
Great job, everyone. If you can remember these words, you can already talk about city life and country life in English.
Yes, try to make your own sentences with these words. It really helps you learn faster.
Now it's time to finish today's episode. But before we go, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Do you prefer city life or country life? Why?
Write your answer in the comments using simple English. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
Exactly. Practice makes progress.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Nemo English Podcast.
We're here to help you speak English with confidence step by step.
Keep learning, keep practicing.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.